Does your life feel like a whirlwind, with work deadlines, family needs, and that never-ending to-do list all vying for your attention? In the midst of it all, do you notice the low buzz of stress, fatigue, or even physical tension? Today, I'm talking about Usui Reiki and giving you a simple energy healing tool that you can add into your everyday life to help you feel more balanced and grounded. Welcome to the Serene Balance Hub podcast. I'm Christina, a yoga, meditation, and mindset coach, and I'm here to share simple, heart-centered practices that fit into your busy day. Usui Reiki is a form of hands-on energy healing that originated in Japan in the early 20th century, developed by a man called Mikao Usui. At its core, Reiki is about channeling the universal life force, the energy that flows through plants, animals, and all living things through your hands to support your own healing and that of others. You don't need superpowers or decades of training. The magic of Reiki comes from intention and gentle touch. In a typical Usui Reiki session, the practitioner will lightly place their hands on or just above various parts of your body and move through a sequence of positions that correspond to energy centers and major organs. You can also practice self-Reiki on yourself. During a session, people often feel warmth, tingling, or even a deep sense of calm as the energy shifts and blockages ease, but equally you might not feel anything, and that's totally fine. The energy is doing its work. Here's a quick Reiki self-practice that you can do right now, wherever you are. Find a quiet moment and sit on a chair comfortably with your feet on the floor. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your solar plexus, just above your belly button. Keep your fingers closed. Close your eyes and take 3 gentle breaths. Notice the rise and the fall of your chest. With each inhale, imagine drawing in soothing, healing energy. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension or worry. Stay here for another 1 or 2 minutes. Keep your focus on the warmth between your hands and the gentle rhythm of your breath. And that's it. No special equipment, no extra time blocked out of your busy day. Just a couple of minutes to tap into your own energy field and let it reset. You can use this mini session throughout your day, while waiting for your coffee to brew, during a quick break at your desk, or even in the car before you walk to your next meeting. The more you practice, the more you might notice subtle shifts, like a lighter mood, less tension in your shoulders, or a clearer mind. Remember, Reiki isn't a replacement for medical care, but it's a wonderful complement to whatever else you're doing to stay well. It reminds you that healing is also about reconnecting with the energy that gives you your life force. Thank you for spending these minutes with me today. I'd love to hear how this mini Reiki practice works for you. You can drop me a note anytime. So until the next episode, be gentle with yourself, and I'll be back again soon.